Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I'm excited about this mod. I've been looking at this for a while when I had my 1.5 and I just never got around to doing it. Not really expensive, but I don't know, I just held off. But I'm excited to share this with you guys. Maybe you guys have already seen this. I've seen a couple people do it. But they're these pieces right here. It's a factory piece, OEM piece from Honda. Makes it the best thing, so it's gonna fit perfect. Get the other one here. Show you the part number. I'll also list these part numbers in the description if you guys are interested in picking them up. So you know what these are? Here, let me go ahead and I'll unwrap them for you. And I'll show you what we got. Here they are, guys. If you can notice what they are, it's those console pieces. But the difference is these are the leather wrapped ones that come out of the touring. Real nice, you can see. They're a direct replacement. They just snap on. You can see here how they folded the leather over. Really nice. These I got for like $38 a piece. So they are pricier than the $4 ones, but you see here the difference. The stitching. This is a charcoal stitch. Okay. The one inside the Sport, I'll show you here. It's the silver stitching. They go right here. If you guys seen me do this before, you just pull them off. It's really easy, but here's overall what it's going to look like. Really nice. It just gives it a higher end feel, having it have the stitching and the leather instead of just some cheap plastic. Okay, here's the stitching I was telling you about. So these only come in, they call it a charcoal stitch, whereas you know the Sport has it's called silver, but you see here on the steering wheel, they use a charcoal stitch as well. So it's kind of weird. They have like different, stitching going on here. But they only make these padded pieces in the charcoal stitching. So that's the only thing I can say. It's not going to be 100% match to the stitching, but it flows really nicely and way better than this. So right here, I just pull from the front here. There's a little gap. Just pull on it and then work your fingers up and it pops up. Really easy. This mod is 5 minutes and about 80 bucks. Like I said, a little pricey, but I think it really changes the look. So you tell me what you guys think. Okay, and then take this one. Let's see. I think this is the wrong one here. Yeah, it's the wrong one. It'd be helpful if I get the right one. Try and do this one hand, guys, for you. Okay, so as you know, it's the easiest thing is line up the tabs here and then pop it in. And then push, and it's just gonna pop in. And these fit a little snugger than the plastic one because it has that leather wrapped over the edge, so it's a little bit thicker. So it's nice. Look at that. It just automatically, I don't know, something about the stitching just gives it a higher end look. I like it. And if you notice the color, it flows really well in my eyes. But that's the difference. Nice piece, a simple mod that really just changes the look of it. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, for over a year, but just have not got around to it. So you see the stitching here. So in my opinion, it flows. It's unless you really are looking for it, you're not going to say, oh, it's totally different stitching. It's a nice piece. So I'd highly recommend it. If you guys are wanting something a little fancier, perfect fitment, look at that. To me, that flows. And it gives it that higher end feel added to your console instead of all this plastic. So let me go ahead and do the passenger side and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Okay guys, here's the passenger side. Again, really nice. It fits, of course, being an OEM piece. The higher end cars, I don't know if the EXL has this piece. You guys will have to tell me, maybe they do. I would think they do because they're leather, but that's the piece right here. You just put those in. And then on the 1.5s, the shifter boot is actually charcoal stitching too. So if you have the 1.5, it'll flow even better because the shifter boot has the charcoal stitching. So if that matters to you at all, And see, when you rest your knee on it, it just feels better than hard plastic. I know a lot of you guys are saying it hurts your knees when you rest against the hard plastic. Well, this kind of solves that problem. Something that you don't have to buy some carbon fiber wrap or something, just buy the OEM piece. Go here and one more look at the driver's side. And that's what you got. So guys, highly recommend it. If you want something to really dress up the interior, the fit and finish is perfect. Easy swap, no tools required. This is it. So check the description. Thanks again, everybody, and I'll talk to you guys next time.